Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show the demo of how to set up Spark programming or Spark in the in your local machine itself. So for that you need four softwares. First one is Scala. It's a programming language like Java. Then Scala IDE. It's an Eclipse, but with the support of giving options to Scala programming, Hadoop packages, and of course you want Java to compile the Scala programs. So follow these instructions and get all these packages and libraries. And this video is just a demo of how to set up the Spark using these libraries. So first you have to do is open the Scala IDE that you have just installed. Go to File, click on New, click on Other, and select Maven project from the Maven folder, and click on Next. Select the Create Simple Project option, give Next, and follow the instructions and give the same group ID. You can give some other group IDs and artifact ID, but while executing the program, you have to give the corresponding group IDs and artifact IDs. Click on Finish. Now we have our Maven project. So when the Scala IDE create a Maven project, it considers it as a Java project. So now I'm going to add Scala nature. So for that, right click on the project, go to configure, and click on add Scala nature to that. Next one is now open the pom.xml and go to the pom.xml tab. Under the version tags, copy the dependencies from the instructions and paste it, and save the pom.xml. So it builds the workspace from the scratch, and it installs some Maven dependencies for Spark programming. So save the pom.xml, and now I'm going to create main class. So for that, right click on the source /main/java, click on new, and first create a package. So the package name should be the same as group ID. So give us org.spark_sql and click on finish. Right click on the package name, select new, and select Scala object. This is the main class, so I'm going to give the name as driver and click on finish. Now copy the entire program from the instructions and replace it over here. So you don't need to change anything from this program except the line, which is system.setProperty, which is commented out. So if you are running the program in the Scala IDE itself, you can enable this line, but you have to set up this line to the directory of your Hadoop packages where you have installed the Hadoop libraries. You have to give that path in this line. Since we are going to run in the cluster, we don't need this line and it can be commented out. Now what we have to do is we have to right click on the project, go to run as, and click the Maven clean option. It's better to use the Maven clean option because the next step you're going to use is right click on the project and run as Maven install. So when you use Maven install option, it will install the jar file in the target folder. So to update the jar file each and every time, it's better to use the Maven clean option. So now we have the jar file. Now we have to move the jar file into our cluster's web server. Now so for this I'm using WinSCP since my machine is Windows. If you are using Mac or Linux, you can for Mac you can use CyberDuck. I'm going to the target folder. Since the jar file name is very long, I can rename it as Spark SQL scalar.jar. I'm just using drag and drop option to move the file to my server. Now we have to use PuTTY or terminal to access our cluster files. First we need is the car data, which you can get from this link. We need only the car data.txt. So unzip this car data.zip and get car data.txt and move the car data.txt to the server using WinSCP and CyberDuck again. And from the server you can move to the cluster using Hadoop FS -put command. Now I'm already having the car data in my cluster, so to list the car data files I'm using the -ls command. So the car data is available in my cluster directory, cluster root directory, and car data folder in my root directory. So you can see that I'm already having the car data.txt already available in the cluster. Now now I have the jar file and the input file, so we can run the Spark program now. For that, the command is spark2 -submit the main class name. While giving the main class name, it should follow the order of package name followed by your main class name. So it goes like org.spark SQL, just my package name, followed by my class name. And we have to give the options master, yarn, then deploy mode, which is client, and my complete file path of the jar file, which is available in my servers. So I'm using /user/ my username and the jar file name Spark SQL scalar.jar, followed by my input file directory, which is available in my cluster. So I'm using /user/ my username / the folder where the car data.txt is available, followed by the file name. And you can go the directory, some directory in your cluster to save the output, giving a Spark SQL output, and this looks good, and you can give it enter. It runs for some time, and now the execution is over. Let's see whether the output directory is present in my cluster. For that, I'm listing all files and folders in my root directory in the cluster. Let's see what we are getting. So you can see we already have the Spark SQL output. Let's see what's inside the folder. And the output for the given query will be available in the path -0s folder. Let's see what's inside that file. To print the file contents, the command is -cat. The cat command prints all the file contents. So this is the result for the query that we have given in the program. You can move this, you can rename and move this file to the server using the get command. So it goes like hadoop fs space -get, the file path of the output file, Spark SQL output, this is the folder name of the output, and the output file name, space my server directory, which is /users/ my username, followed by you can rename this file like Spark SQL output. I think I already have this output. Okay, now I don't have this output file, so I can give the file name as Spark SQL output.txt. If I go to the NSCP and refresh it, you can see the file. Now you can move this file to your local directory and submit this file for this exercise. So that's pretty much it for setting up the Spark and running your Spark programs. You can run the Spark program directly in the SCADA IDE itself for testing purposes, but the only thing is you have to enable this line and give the Hadoop library folder. So that's pretty much it, and thank you.